Audio Jungle.
This is a vending machine. It is where people insert money to buy some snacks and drinks. It makes our lives more convenient. Before vending machine was created, everything was so inconvenient.
We had to walk all the way to the shop.
Just to get food.
Greetings everyone, today I'm gonna interview this vending machine. Hello vending machine, can you tell us more about yourself?
Hi, nice to meet you all. My name is Vending Machine. I love my life. You must be wondering why. Basically, my life is all about eating, chilling, and shitting. I love it when people feed me my favorite food, money. It's 1 PM already and I'm so hungry. Why isn't anyone feeding me? Then, a kind-hearted young man appeared. Feed me, feed me! I have not eaten anything.
Let me check if I have small change. Oh, there's one. What should I buy? Okay, cold water.
This feels so good. Thanks, man.
Whoa, such a good life.
But let me tell you, there are also times when people pisses me off. Like people giving me crumpled notes. What? The thing eating rotten food is nice? Oi! What is this? Crumpled notes? Do you like it if I give you rotten food?
No.
Then?
Oh, sorry.
Not only that, I also hate it when people vandalize me. It didn't only hurt me physically but also mentally. Ouch! Ouch! Stop it! Please stop! I also hate it when people rush me while I'm taking a dump.
Hey, why so slow one? I pay so many times already. Why you still don't want to come up?
Come on, so slow one. Faster.
Oi! Wait lah! Shit also need time
I think I know how's your life looks like. I feel pity when I see you suffering sometimes. So, what do you wish to happen in the future?
In the future, I hope to have legs so I can walk around to meet my other vending machine friends. And I also hope to have people purchase stuff from me using their phones.
Okay. Thank you so much for your precious and lovely time. Cha-cha, Wendy Machi.
You're welcome! Bye!
Hi, I'm Jonathan. I'm the actor. Hello, I'm Elvin Chu. I'm the interviewer and the actor.
Hi, I'm Elvin Hong and I'm the voice of this vending machine.
Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. Deja que te diga cosas al oído.